This is a Javanese cuisine, high temperature cooked vegetables stewed in coconut milk with herbs. Let's get started. Firstly, pour oil. Add cauliflower, onions, French beans, carrots, CHOKKO, and cabbage. Place the splash guard on the lid and cook on high temperature for 8 minutes. Once it's done, stir well and transfer to a bowl. And then add shallots, garlic, galangal, Serai, fresh turmeric, and soaked red chillies. Let's blend for 10 seconds, speed 10. Do scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl. Now, add oil, cover with lid and measuring cup. Saute for 4 minutes, 120 degrees at spoon mode. Wow, the herb fragrance is really fantastic. Add water, salt, sweet corns, and coconut milk. Cook 6 minutes, 98 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. Look at that! Let's add the cooked high temp vegetables and pan-fried tofu. Cook for 3 minutes, 98 degrees Celsius, reverse spoon mode. There we have it, a high temp Sayur Lodeh. Wok flavor veggies with herb flavors. The best combination.